So, good morning, Ananda. So, welcome to webinar on deep learning using Python. Okay. So, before we go into this session, I like to introduce myself. My name is Kamalesh. I am from Pantech solution. I am working on projects like deep learning, machine learning, and artificial intelligence, and data scientist also. So today we are going to see about webinar on deep learning using Python. Deep learning and Python. Okay. So before we go into this session, I have to like to thanks to my Gopalan College of Engineering and Management, and then its program is organized by Department of Computer Science and Engineering in association with Pantech e-learning. Okay, I have to give special thanks to Principal Dr. N. Sengotian, Principal of Gopalan College of Engineering and Management, and Coordinator Dr. J. Somasegar, Professor and CSE, okay, and Professor of CSE Department, Computer Science Engineering. So I like to thanks to HOD and both HOD and Principal of the College of Gopalan College of Engineering and Technology. Thanks for this webinar, deep learning using Python. Okay, so thanks from Pantech e-learning. So let's enter into our session. Today we are going to see deep learning, how to use deep learning using CNN. Okay, CNN is nothing but convolutional neural network. How to plot convolutional neural network. Okay, so deep learning with Python. Okay, so this is the content we are covering in this session: introduction to CNN, and then and then sample architecture of CNN, and then dataset description. Okay, so dataset description is important. Okay, we have to know what is the dataset we are using and what are the attributes we having and what are the labels we having. Okay, so we have to know about dataset description, and then after that layers in CNN. Okay, what are the layers we are using in CNN, and then after that we are working under using Jupyter Notebook. We will enter into the technical session and we will see how convolutional neural network will be processing. Okay, so for this I am using a data set of animals and trucks. Okay, based on this we are training the machine and plotting the and printing the accuracy result. Okay, so this is what we are going to do in this session. And so before we go into this session, we need to move to what is introduction to CNN. Okay, so about CNN we already done with one project like fashion articles. I think so fashion articles. Okay, so in about CNN I already told you how it's working under. Okay, so if you are new to CNN, I'm just telling an introduction to CNN, and then we will move on to technical session because we don't have that much time about this technique. 1 hour only we have. Okay, so convolutional neural network is one type of algorithm in deep learning used to read the images and analyze the images and give the prediction result of image. Okay, and sample architecture of our convolutional neural network is this one. Okay, when you give the input image, based on that input image it will be take some pixel value, some important pixel value, that is using convolution layer and ReLU activation function. Using it will take some important input layer, and then it will be move on to pooling is nothing but it's reduce the size of the input layer. Okay, that is reduce the size of the convolution layer, and then again after I am enter into the pooling, and again I will move on to convolution plus ReLU. Convolution plus ReLU is nothing but after pooling I will get one output result, that is some future result. That future result will be again given to the convolution plus ReLU layer. Then I will be get another one output. That output will be reduced into using pooling. I will reduce the layer, and then I will use flatten function. Flatten function is nothing but it will be convert our matrix into an vector value. After I am converting the matrix into the vector value, I will enter into the fully connected array and softmax. Softmax is another type of activation function used to predict the output of binary values. Okay, so this is what we are going to do. If we have time, I will tell you some Python tips, okay, like how to get a notification using Python. Okay, so if you have a time, I will tell you. At last I will give the some tips to you how to use notification using Python. Okay, so this is what we are going to see in our data in our machine learning. This is the basic architecture, and then dataset I am using here, data this one. Okay, so about I having an aeroplane, automobile, bird, cat, deer, dog, frog, horse, ship and truck. So these are the images I'm having as a dataset. This dataset available inbuilt library file, that is keras. Okay, here I'm using for deep learning keras and tensorflow. I'm using a Python 3.6 version. Okay, in 3.6 version I am installed keras and tensorflow. Keras and tensorflow is nothing but TensorFlow is a neural network, and then Keras is a API to create a neural network. Okay, using those library file, I am having an inbuilt data set, that is about like this. I am having an inbuilt data set. Using those inbuilt data set, I am training the algorithm and testing the algorithm. Okay, so layers in CNN. Okay, layers in CNN is like input layer. So we need to train the algorithm. So input layer will be a must. After that input layer, I already told to you convolution layer. Okay, convolution layer is nothing but in those input layer. Those input layer uh, we need to give the input. Okay, that is convolution layer. After that pooling layer, and then fully connected layer. Fully connected is nothing but we need to connect all the neurons into an see each and every neurons will be connected with the fully layers. Okay, so after that, next one is softmax. Okay, Softmax and logistic is to predict the output, then output layer. Okay, so this is the future. I am going to use convolution and maximum pooling and vectorization and binary classification. Okay, so this is what we are doing in this our algorithm. Okay, so fully connected layer, I already told to you, it's each and every neuron will be connected to the next layer. Okay, then Softmax, it predicts the output, and then output layer we will get the output label file. Okay, that is 0 or 1 or 2 3 4 5 6. For example, here you can take the data set. 0 means here aeroplane, 1 means automobile, bird means 2, cat means 3, deer means 4. Like that I will be have a output. I will convert the output label into 0 to 9. Okay, 9 means truck, 0 means aeroplane. Okay, like that I will convert the data. Okay, then I will get the output layer. Okay, so let's we enter into the Jupyter notebook and we will do some programming session. Okay, so I am using here Jupyter notebook 3.6 version and 3.6 version, and then 3.6, and then Keras and TensorFlow 2.1.0. So here I am creating a new Python file. So here you can see I am creating a new Python 3 file. Using this new Python 3 file, I am reading my I am importing some data. Okay, like TensorFlow and Keras, like this. Okay, so before we go into this session, we need to need the description. The description is nothing but we need to predict so this is my main what is that main aim of our project. Okay, we need to predict according to the see here, according to the birds or animals or trucks, vehicles. Okay, birds or animals or vehicles. Okay, we need to predict birds or animals or animals or truck according to our test data. Okay, this is our main aim. Okay, so what is the main aim? This is what our main aim. So for that I need to import some packages like import. So this package I am already have one package. I just copy those packages. So these are the packages I am using here. So TensorFlow is nothing but we need to create a neurons. Okay, neurons. So for that purpose we are using the TensorFlow. Keras is nothing but using Keras is the one type of API. We need to create a neurons based on the Keras only. Sequencer is the one type of model. Okay, sequential model, that is linear model. Using those model I need to create one neural network architecture. Okay, then here I am using dense is nothing but layers. Okay, the layer is nothing but dense is nothing but it's a kind of creating a neurons, and flatten is nothing but I already told to you we are converting a multiple array into a single vector function. And convolution 2D, about convolution 2D I already told to you we are taking some important features in the image. After taking an important feature in the image I am using maximum pooling. I am converting that important feature even more, reducing the some important. Okay, then I will move on to dropout function. Dropout function means some functions I will drop out, like 50% or 60% I will drop out the some input values. Okay, then using utils is nothing but to convert the categorical value. Okay, like I am already having like this only aeroplane, automobile, bird, like that. I will convert this aeroplane, automobile into zeros and ones. Okay, numpy is nothing but a numerical python. If you want to convert and list into an array value you can use numpy, numerical python. And then matplotlib is nothing but to plot the graph. Here I am using 5038. Okay, that is the style of matplotlib. We have different type of styles available in matplotlib. I am using here what is that, 5038. Okay, so this type of style. Okay, so this is what I am using library file. I am running the shell, this looking star symbol, so it's running. If you get a numerical value it's run. Okay, so I am running the cell. After running the cell, from I already told to you our dataset in inbuilt dataset only, so I am importing that inbuilt dataset using dataset import. Okay, it's still running TensorFlows and some layers and all. Okay, so before that I will like to import our dataset. Okay, CIFAR, the dataset name is CIFAR. Okay, so this is the dataset. Okay, from class I am importing a dataset class, and in the dataset class I am importing a CIFAR function. That is, we have a dataset, inbuilt dataset. Using Keras I am importing that inbuilt dataset. Okay, so after I am importing a dataset, still it's loading. It takes some time. Okay, after that only it will be give the result. Then after that, what is the main thing is I need to train the image. Okay, and I need to test the image. Okay, train image means extreme, that is data of my train data, and y train is nothing but output of my train data. Okay, like same thing only here we need to do, that is for test data. Okay, x test is my data of my train data, and y test is my output of my test data. Okay, here you need to understand x train is nothing but to train the algorithm. After training the algorithm I will be get an I need to train with I need to train with data and output. Okay, I am using data and output train the algorithm. After I am passing only test data to the algorithm. For this test data I will get the output for this y test. Okay, so I am passing here that data set. Okay, so we need to CI for 10, and then dot load data. So I am loading a data. Okay, and then see it's running. Okay, it's runned. See 1 and 2, it's runned. Then after running, I am running this cell x train, y train, and then x test, y test. So train means train data, test means test data, x means data, y means data of that output. Here in test data, x test means data and y test means data of that output. Okay, so this is what we need to do. So now I have a train data and I have a test data. So after this I will be move on. I want to check, okay, what is the type, which type it's stored. Okay, which type it's storing. Okay, I am using x train and checking. So it's in array type, n dimensional array type. Okay, so type is the function to get an array type. If you check the shape, because shape is important when I train the algorithm, I need to give the shape. Okay, I need to give the shape of that input data. Okay, what is the shape of that input data means I have a 5,000, 100,000, 10,000, 15,000 data, that is 15,000 data row I am having, and 32 comma 32 means it's a column. Okay, 15,000 data and 32 in the column, and then 3 layers nothing but RGB. Okay, RGB, red, green, blue, 3 layers. Okay, so this is my input shape of the function. Okay, when you create a one neural network algorithm or one deep CNN algorithm, we need to pass the input shape. So for that purpose you need to use this shape. Okay, that's why I am displaying the shape of the function. Okay, so if you need to see the image, if you need to see the image of first row, okay, we can check. Okay, so for example I am showing the image of first index value, plot. Okay, plot dot image I am show. Then in x train I am displaying the first index value. Okay, see here I am getting an image, that is image should be an like that. It's look like a frog, I think so. Okay, it's look like a frog, I think so. Let's we see whether it's a frog or not. Okay, for that purpose you need to create an label. Okay, label is equal to y train. Okay, y train, you can check what is the label of from 10. Okay, from 10 what is the label. Using print function I am checking the label. Okay, I am checking the label 4. Okay, 4 means in PPT I am getting what is the 4, 1 0 1 2 3 4. It's not a correct one, I think so. So 4, I am getting a 4. I don't know exactly what is the data set, what is the thing I am having. Okay, it's a frog or not a frog. Okay, so for that purpose I am creating classification. So classification is nothing but I am declaring all the according to the order wise. Airplane, okay, and then airplane, and then automobile, and then bird, after bird cat, and then after cat deer. This is the order. I already know about the order of the class file, so I am typing. And dog, and after that frog, I think it's a frog. I already told to you, but now till now not confirmed whether it's a frog or not. So I am checking whether it's a frog or any other picture. So I am using classification type and then checking whether it's a ship. Okay, next one is at last I am using truck. So this is the classification file. I am running that classification file. After running that classification file, I am using print statement. I am checking my what is the image. Okay, image is what image I am displaying. I am displaying that image index value in X train 0th index value. Okay, that is 0th column, first column. Okay, so here I need first row. Here I need to check whether it's a first row is my according to my classification result or not. Okay, that is I am in my point of view it's a frog, but I need to check whether it's a frog or not. Okay, I am passing the parameter. Okay, invalid syntax. Yes, we need to give white train, I think. So in white train only I am having an output file. I am passing my white train data. Okay. So again it's showing invalid syntax classification and then white train 10 comma 0. Okay, okay. I want to close the bracket. Again it's showing error with the print. Oh, sorry, here I need to use comma. Okay, white train is not defined. What is the exact white train? See here, image is D. Sorry, here I want to pass not a 10, I want to pass 0. Okay, so it's because 0 only I am plotting the image of 0 only. See, image is frog. Okay, so it's I already told you it's look like a frog. I am passing here 0 index value. For the 0 index value I am here I am passing 0 and then it's a for. Okay, so before that I am getting D. I again I am checking the 10. Okay, because before that I am 10 only I passed. Okay, I am passing 10 here also. So that is the dir image. Okay, 10 means dir image. Okay, so that is what I want to tell to you. Okay, this is our data set with grayscale value. All the data set available inbuilt, it's a grayscale value from 0 to 255 image. I am reading those image and next I want to train those image. Okay, so before the train those image I need to pre-process something, that is I need to convert my label into the numbers. Okay, so what is the thing is change my label into, here label is nothing but that frog or D, like that I am showing that classification file. In classification I am having a number that is up to 10. I need to convert. Okay, for that purpose I am doing next step. Next step is nothing but in white train using I am white train underscore one hot. One hot is nothing but according to the order wise it will be display 1. Okay, so here I am using two categorical. Okay, so two categorical are already imported using utils function. In first itself I am passing white train and then same steps only for next line also. So I am passing, I am copying that one and pasting. I am changing that white train into white test, white test and then white test. Okay, so it's convert. If I display that one card, see here I am getting the output like this. Okay, so even more you need to see exactly what is the output. Before that image I am passing that what is the image I am passing here, 0, that is 0 is nothing but frog image. I already told to you. I need to check 0th column is X. I need to check for 0th column now using one card key encoder. So for that purpose I am using print statement. Using print statement I am passing the, I am checking the one card label. Okay, I am checking the one card label, that is after I am converting into 0 and 1 I am checking whether it's correct or not. Okay, so I am passing y train 1 card. In y train 1 card I am checking 0. Okay, so here you can see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, like this 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here also 6, here also 6. Okay, so I am getting exactly a frog. I am 6, I am getting as a 1. Okay, so that is what converting my label into a numerical value. After converting label into a numerical value, I need to do normalization. Normalize the pixel value. I need to do normalize the pixel value. Okay, so pixel values I already told to you. Here I am using grayscale value, images value. So it's normally grayscale is nothing but 0 to 255 range. Okay, so I am converting X train into the dividing by X train. Okay, dividing by 255. Okay, so X train divided by 255, then X test equal to X test dividing into the 255. Okay, so unable to locate also. Okay, I am getting error. Normalize X train. Wait a minute, I will use this. I close and halt. Memory error. I am unable to allocate the. It's a memory error only. If you again run this cell, I think it will come. I am running again all the cells, restarting and run all the cells. Okay, let's check whether it's running properly or not. Yeah, it's run correctly because previously I loaded my I already have a code of my webinar system. I already worked before webinar only. I worked done with that code. Previously I run that code, so again I'm same thing only I'm running it again, so it's not allocate the memory in RAM. Okay, so that's why I closed that previous code and then again I'm running, it's rendered properly. Then I need to create some pooling method. Okay, so pooling method, about this pooling function I like to tell you with copy that function and then I like to tell because its typing is so much long, so I just copy the code and paste it in our code. Okay, so here I will explain line by line, not a problem. Here you can see after this done, I am using sequential function to create an architecture. Okay, to create an architecture I am using sequential function. Sequential function is nothing but in this sequential function only we are adding the neurons and maximum pooling, convolution 2D method and activation layer and all. Okay, so that sequential will be stored in model. After that I am passing the two layers. Okay, that is first convolution layer and then first pooling layer. Okay, so first convolution layer is nothing but here I am passing convolution 2D 32. 32 is nothing but our input shape. Here you can see 32, 3. So I already checked with this input shape. See here. So that is what I am doing before itself. Using shape function I am checking the shape. So now I am passing the shape of the function in convolution 2D layer, input shape. Okay, so about activation function is nothing but it's a ReLU activation function. It can predict the weight of the each weight and bias weight of the each input function. Okay, then it's added. Then I am using first pooling layer. Okay, using first pooling layer, about pooling layer I already told you, it's reduce the shape of the convolution 2D layer. Okay, so here I am using 2D. Then after that again I am passing that first convolution layer and the first pooling layer output will be again passed into the second convolution layer and second pooling layer. Okay, so now you can understand about I think you will be understand, you guys will be understand about second convolution layer and second pooling layer. Okay, so after that I am doing next, I will be use flatten function. So about flatten function I already told to you, it's converting the vector function, it's converting the vector value. Okay, so model dot add flatten function converting the vector. Okay, after converting the vector I am creating the one input layer, that is here you can see fully connected layer. So up to this we done, that is maximum pooling and then convolution layer, 2 times we done. Okay, convolution layer, maximum pooling, again convolution layer and maximum pooling. So first part we are done with 2 times. After that I need to create a neurons, that is vector neurons. That vector neurons should be 1000. Okay, so here I am passing the 1000 input neurons with relay activation function and dropout function. In 1000 neurons I need to drop 50%. Okay, that is 50% of data, 50% of data. So if I reduce the 1000 into 50% of data, what is my output? 500. Okay, so again I am creating a neurons with the 500 function. Okay, so again I am reducing 50%. Okay, so using dropout function I am reducing my inputs. Okay, so after in 500 I am reducing my 50%, means my output is 250. Okay, so 250 here I am using 250. See here 250 is my output one. So I am reducing my output from 1000 to 250. Okay, from 1000 to 250. Then after that I am using Softmax activation function, because activation function will be worked only for hidden layers. Hidden layers. Activation function will be only used for hidden layers, not for output layers. Not for output layers. So here I am using an softmax function for my output range. So my output input is 10. 10 is nothing but my label file, that is this one: aeroplane, automobile, bird, cat, deer, dog, frog. This is my 10. So that is my output file. Within this I need to predict the output. So this is what I have to tell to you. So I am running the cell. After I am running the cell, it's run properly. Okay, there is no error. So after that I need to train my compile my model. Okay, so to compile the model I need to use compile function, model.compile. In this function I am passing the x train data and then y train data, not a train data. I already convert that y train data into the one hot key encoder. Okay, so you need to pass that one, y x train and y train. Okay, so after that x train and y train, each and every iteration how much time I want to iterate, that is batch size. Batch size. Okay, so batch size is nothing but batch size is nothing but how much data each and every iteration it want to take. Okay, so I am giving batch size equal to 256 and epoch. Okay, so epoch I am using here only one, because it will take some, if normally epoch size should be an more than 10. Okay, then only algorithm will properly learn and give the output. Okay, but this is live webinar system. If I give epoch size equal to 10 means it take more number of time. So I am giving only one. Okay, so then algorithm will not learn properly, but you need to give epoch equal to more than 10, then only it will be useful for your algorithm understanding. Okay, this is live webinar session, so I am giving only one iteration, so it will be iterated soon as much possible. Then validation. So I will erase this one. then validation underscore split equal to 0.2. okay, so it's running. I am getting an error. What is the error? Could not interrupt the optimizer. Okay, optimizer. X train, Y train dot, then batch size. Otherwise, once I use this code. Let's check. Okay. Okay, so sorry. Before compiling, I need to use this function. After that only I need to use that. Okay, so accuracy. So in compile function, I'm using loss categorical cross entropy, and then I'm using here optimizer is nothing but Adam optimizer, and metrics is nothing but it will give the accuracy score of each and every iteration, and then I am passing that approach equal fit data. So fit is the keyword to train the algorithm. Okay, fit is the keyword to train the algorithm. Here I am training my algorithm. So using fit keyword. Okay, so before that I am creating a compile function. After that, using fit keyword, I am training my algorithm. Here I am getting error unrecognized keyword approach. Okay, what is the spelling of approach is? Here we need to use yes. Okay, so it's running. See here, totally I have 14,000 samples. In 14,000 samples, it's running like this slow process. Okay, so that's why I'm told you, if I'm giving here approach equal to 10 means it will be run 10 times. Okay, 10 time iteration, each and every time it iterate 14,000 for up to 10 times. Okay, so it takes so much time. So for that purpose I am giving only one. But if you give reduce amount of if you give only 1 or 2 epoch size, means algorithm not learn properly. Okay, if you work with your own PC, please give more than epoch size will be more than 10. Okay, then only it will be properly learned. So for understanding purpose I am giving 1. Okay, so after I am giving epoch size equal to 1, it's running. Then I need to evaluate the model. Evaluate the model means I need to test the model. Okay, so for that purpose I need to use evaluate, and then I will pass the test data. Okay, x test data and y test data. Okay, x test and y test is nothing but I need to test the, after training the algorithm, I need to test the algorithm. Okay, so for that purpose I am passing the, using evaluate function, I am passing the test data. Okay, so after it's loading I will tell you how to test the data. Okay, so still loading. Yeah, I think it's completed. Okay, so now it's completed. After that I am using model.evaluate function. I am passing my y test encode, x test and y test. Okay, it's running. Sorry, model is evaluate running. Then it's trained. So I am getting an output accuracy result as a 0.47. It's not a good accuracy result because I am using here epoch equal to 1. If you use more than 10 means you will be get accuracy result more than 75%. So you have to note it that okay, so I'm just for understanding purpose I'm giving 1. Okay, so I'm getting a result of 47. Okay, so now it's done all the thing. Okay, so I need to read the image. I already have an image. That image is cat. Okay, I will tell you how to test this my original input image. Okay, this is this image downloaded from online. I will tell you how to use that image, I have to predict the image, okay, in your own image. Okay, so for that I need to use cat, that is a cat image. I am creating a cat variable and then plotting using IMRead. PLT is nothing but plot, matplotlib. Using matplotlib I am copying the index. Okay, so cat. So if you are getting at this time any error, you need to install this package pip install pillow. If you are getting any error at this time, you need to install pip pillow. Okay, so if you want to run within Jupyter Notebook itself, you can use this exclamatory symbol, and pip install pillow means it will be installed within Jupyter Notebook itself. Okay, no, we don't need to use any anaconda form. Okay, if you are getting any error at this time, because matplotlib having only an PNG type of reading image only options, having it will be read only a .png file. If you want to read any other JPG or JPEG, we need to install pillow. Okay, so pillow is the library for any other type of images. Okay, so I am here using next I am creating an image and I am plotting that image whether it's whether it's read properly or not. What is the my image variable name? Cat. Okay, so see here I am having a cat image. Okay, now it's reader. So I need to convert this image into I want to resize the image. That's it. Okay, I want to resize the image. Okay, how to resize the image? I already have sk image package. Okay, sk image package I need to import. Okay, if you are not having sk image, you need to use pip install scikit hyphen image. Okay, if you don't have this package, you need to use pip install scikit image. Okay, so here I'm importing the sk image. In that sk image I'm importing a transform function. Okay, I'm importing after transform function. I need to use resize. I need to resize the image. So here I am creating one variable resize, then I am calling a transform function. Using the transform function using the transform class I am importing a resize function. In this resize function I am passing my input data, that is cat image, comma what is the shape I want to convert. Okay, my default shape is 32, 3 layers, that is RGB. Okay, so I am importing that. I am resizing that image. After resizing that image, I need to plot that image. Okay, so to plot that image, same as it is before, I am using IMShow function. So using IMShow function, I am plotting the resize image. Okay, see here, it's converted into 32, but you see the image somewhat it's look like a different. Okay, so that is what using of resize sk image transform function. Okay, it's converted into different way. Okay, so after it's converting, I need to predict what type using model. Okay, model is nothing but we already trained the model. Using this model I want to test this my input image. Okay, so note one thing here, I am using only epoch size 1, so you will get an output correct or maybe not a correct. Okay, because I am using epoch size equal to only 1. Okay, so if I am getting output any error, if I getting any output error, it's not our program mistake, we need to run it more number of times. Okay, so I will tell next I want to predict the image. So for that purpose I am using prediction. Okay, prediction equal to model dot predict. So model dot predict is the I'm calling the function of np. Np is nothing but numpy array. I am passing my resized image, okay, resized image, and then print prediction. Okay, so I'm getting the output result of weight of each data. Okay, like up to 10 I am getting a weight. Okay, so I need exactly I need a result, exact result, whether it's a cat or dog, like that. I need some exact result. Okay, so for that purpose I am using this for loop. I already done with this for loop. I'm just copying that one, and because it's almost time 11:50, I need to finish. Okay, sorry, here I'm using prediction. Okay, see here, so I'm getting an output of, I'm indexing list index is nothing but from 0 to 9, that is labeled column, and then I'm saving my prediction result, that is this result, into an x. Okay, after that I'm using for loop. I am passing the range of each for loop, and I am getting the result of 3 5 2 7 4 6 8 1. Okay, so I already told to you I need a exact result, whether it's a cat or truck or any other output. So because I am giving a one input image, I need to the algorithm want to predict that input image, what is that one. Okay, so for that purpose I am working now. Now what I will do means, I will be check I range. Okay, range is first 5. Okay, I in range is first 5 means I need to I need a prediction result of first 5, because I don't need this all the 10 result. I need a exact result of first 5 according to the my classification means what here, this one I already given the output. This according to the first 5 I need a output. Okay, I need to print the statement according to the first 5. Okay, so using range function I am passing that classification, and then I am passing the list index according to the I. Okay, so see here I'm getting the output of cat. Yeah, it's correct only. Okay, this is a top 5 result according to my input data. In that, according to my input data, here I'm getting a top 5 answer. In the top 5 answer I'm getting a result, first one is cat. Okay, so exactly it's almost its predictor correctly only. With one iteration it's a cat. Okay, so that is what I want to tell to you. We can predict using cat. Okay, sorry, I am giving an input data as a cat, so I am getting an output, that is first 5. In first 5 I am getting an output result as a cat. So it's almost predicted correctly, but if you need even more exact result each and every time, you need to run the epoch size into 10. Okay, more than 10 means it will be give the result of exact size. Okay, so I hope everyone will understand about this CNN, how it's working, and I am using my own input data. I am getting my result as a cat. So everyone will understand how to train the algorithm using convolutional neural network, and how to test the algorithm using convolutional neural network. Okay, so that is what I want to tell to you. And I already told to you I need to give one Python tips. Okay, I need to give one Python tips. I need to give one Python tips to you all. So what the tips is, how you can get a notification using Python. How you can get the notification using Python. So you can use for that from Windows 10. It's a package Toast. Okay, from the Windows I'm using toast import toast notifier. Okay, so if I run the module, I am getting an error, no module named WinToast. Okay, so I already told to you we need to install that Windows Toast package. Okay, how you can install means you have to use quotation pip install that package name. What is the package name? Win10 underscore toast. Okay, that like this only you have to do for, I already told to you, you have to install some packages before this code. Like this only you have to use. Okay, pip, that is exclamatory symbol, pip install win toast. If you run like this, it will be install the package what you are asking. Okay, so pip install is a command, wintoast is my which package I need to install. Okay, so see here I am getting a result, successfully installed pip win32 toast. Okay, so now what you will be doing means you just comment this line because I installed that package, now I don't need. Okay, so now again I am running, now it's no error. Okay, so what I will do means I will do next time calling the toast function and save it in one variable that is called toast. Okay, I am calling that toast notifier function and save it in one variable. After save it in one variable, next I will do for toast show what message I want to display in notification bar. Okay, what message means I will use toast show underscore, you can use tab button if you are not okay, not getting, so you can use, sorry here I made a spelling mistake, toast. Now you can use, see automatically it's filled if you use tab button. Okay, toast dot show underscore toast, and first one is heading, what heading you need to do. Okay, I am using notification as a heading, notification, okay, as a heading, and then after that what message you want to type. Okay, I am typing like check the message for, I am using my name Kamalesh Karthi. Okay, so check the message for Kamalesh Karthi. Okay, so here I am passing the message, here I am passing the heading. Okay, notification and passing the message, and then I am passing thread. Okay, threaded is nothing but that like accept and handling method. Like then after that I will be move on to next step, that is icon path. Okay, icon path is nothing but we don't need any icon, so I am using none. Okay, if you need icon also you can use icon. Okay, using that icon. Then duration, so duration is important, how much time I need to display that message. Okay, how much time I need to display that message. So duration is nothing but I am giving an 8 second. Okay, 8 second I need to display that message. Okay, so now I given everything, but if I want to run this toast notifier I need to import time, because I am giving here time, how much time it's displaying, so I am importing time. I am passing that toast function in while loop. Okay, I am passing that toast notification toast notification, see here notification active, I am passing the toast notification active function, and then timestamp. So timestamp means which time I need to sleep, time sleep is which time I need to sleep. I am here 0.3. okay, so now everyone will understand about this program. This is the one tips I am giving to you. This webinar session about convolution neural network already over, so I am giving one tips to you using Python. That is how we can get a notification using Windows 10 toast library file. Okay, so here I am passing the message notification as a heading, and I am passing the message check the message for Kamalesh Karthi. Okay, so this is the message I am giving to my Windows. So if I run this program, you can see the downside, you will be get a notification. See here, notification check the message for Kamalesh Karthi. Okay, so I am getting the message, one message. Okay, if you run the message, run the thing, you will be get a notification like this. So that is what I want to tell to you. You can get a notification like this. Okay, so see here, notification check the message for Kamalesh Karthi. Okay, so this is the one tips we can get a notification, and you can change this like thank you by Pantech e-learning. Okay, if I run the message, you will be getting a message notification thank you by Pantech e-learning. So that is what I have to tell to you, one of the tips used in this using Windows toast and time function. Okay, so I hope everybody will understand about this webinar about how we can train the CNN using convolution neural network we can get. So I am getting output function exactly, I am giving an input as a cat, I am getting output exactly cat. Okay, so this is what I want to tell to you in this webinar. So everything will run perfectly, and you also get an idea about convolution neural network, I hope. And then if you have any question you can ask, I will answer you. Any question you can ask to me. One doubt is now the people are coming very late at last time giving attendance. Any related technical related questions you have, please give a comment. I will give the answer to that. Forthcoming week webinar details about coming to. Okay, once I want to tell to you one thing I want to tell you, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe the channel and hit a bell icon, you will be get a notification. If you are like this video, please hit a like button, it will be boost for us. Please hit a bell icon and then please hit a like button and share. If you are like those videos, share to your friends also will see the videos. How to select the size of the layer CNN. So that is what I am, how to select the size of the layer in CNN. Okay, using save function you can check the size of your image size, and then you will be get a given input type. Okay, what is the difference between machine learning and deep learning? So machine learning and deep learning is nothing but if you want to train the minimum number of data, you can use simply, I am telling, if you want to train the minimum number of data, you can use machine learning. If you want to train more number of data, you can use deep learning. What is the difference between? Okay, give me my answer to clear and doubt, sir. Okay, what is your answer? Like Don Suhab Abbas, what is your question? No, I am giving a random pick like cat only. Okay, but I am reshape my pick according to the trained convolution layer. Okay. Yeah, machine learning also you can give a input, not a problem. Okay. Give the real time example, sir. I already given a real-time example only in this webinar. Once you go through again our webinar, you will be understood what we are done. Yeah, real-time example is this only. On real time only I'm downloading one image. After training that image, I am passing the input image. It's not comes under even our training images also. It just I'm giving a random cat image. It's creating a output. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe the channel, and if you are like this video, please hit a like button. It will be helpful for us. No. Actually, what is the previous? Here one question is there. Should we start dense layer 500? Okay. Why I am not giving us a dense layer 500 means after I am passing my convolution layer and what is that next layer? Maximum pooling layer. I will get a one output. Okay. That output, how much I am having, how much input I am having. According to that input only, I need to pass dense layer how much I need. Okay, so if I input layer should be 100, I need to pass dense layer 100. If it is input layer as an more than 100, I need to, according to the input layer, I need to pass. Okay. Okay, so if you have any doubt, please I will show the some of the contact numbers. You can ask those numbers. Definitely we will give the thing. And I have to tell to you about upcoming events. We are conducting events like IETE Pantech internship program. We are offering students for exclusive way of sharing the knowledge with a combination of IET, that Institution of Electronic and Telecommunication Engineering in Mumbai. Using these, those are offering an internship for students. Okay, that internship domains like deep learning, machine learning, or electric vehicle using MATLAB. So it's a trending one. Electric vehicle using MATLAB, it's a trending one, and the Android application development and Internet of Things. Those who are interested to join, you can join as a 1 month, that is 13 days, 2 hours each day classes. The cost should be on 4,200, but you can take away like a certificate and project exam mark sheet. We will conduct the even exams also. Okay, and then domain knowledge. Okay, so if you are willing to join these, at last I will show some three person numbers. You can contact those numbers and you can register for this. And we are conducting for 5 days technical training program also, like Python programming, PCP design, embedded system, MATLAB, core Java, Android application, Internet of Things, and VHDL. Okay, so if you are willing to join this session, that is 5 days session, each day 2 hours, you can register to the cost is 350 and 300. According to the domain, it will be changed, and you will take away like certificate from IET. That's it. Okay, so if you are willing to join this, you can join. I will give the details about. So once again, thank you to one and all. I am Kamlesh. If you want to if you want about this webinar, any queries will be there. You can mail to me hod.java@pantechmail.com. Okay, this is my mail ID. If you are any doubt, you can mail to me. If you want upcoming event details about upcoming event or furthermore information about internship, you can contact WhatsApp number 7010888841. If you are in Telegram, you can join our group, that is pantechelearning. Okay, and then if you need to contact our persons regarding about webinar session or internship about this upcoming internship 5 days and 1 month, you can contact those persons, Mr. Senthil Kumar, Mr. Srinivasan, and Mr. Kumarasamy. So you can contact those members and you can get the details about internship. Okay, so once again I want to tell to you about this today's attendance link and certificate link. Each and every time we are posted in your comment section, please check the comment section and then register for use those link. You can register and that if you are new to this channel, please subscribe the channel, and then we will definitely provide each and every day 2 videos to for those persons. And then thank you to one and all. Today I hope session is good. If you are like this session, please hit a like button and share to your friends also. For your friends also will be useful. Okay, so before we are going to, so I like to thank to Gopalan College of Engineering and Management about this session. So the college started at year 2020. The total number of branches is CSE, Civil Engineering and Aeronautical Engineering, and the college have a placement training more than 82% they passed out according to the 2020 till May. Okay, so it's approved by AICTE New Delhi, and they have facilities like hostel and good infrastructure. Okay, so about this, this is what I have to tell to you about Gopalan College of Engineering. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe the channel. Don't forget to hit a like button. Thank you to one and all. Today you are present here, and then thank you to college HODs and CSE department staffs. Thank you. It's signing off from Kamalesh. Let's see a new video. Thank you to one and all.